How beautiful is this ocean? Really, really nice. Tourist here. In the other direction. So there's some of the prices here for the dishes. Drinks available, Guinness, Bintang, Smirnoff. And just at the back of the beach here we have a collection of tourist goods shops. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around about 5 p.m. I'm here in the, I think you pronounce it Kuta Selatan area of Bali. And what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a fabulous beach location called Pandawa Beach. Now this area classified as Kuta Selatan isn't the Kuta area that you're all familiar with. It is quite a distance away from the well-known Kuta Beach area. Most notably area close to this beach is going to be the Nusa Dua area. It's not too far away from there. So in today's video I've just arrived here at Pandawa Beach. It's approaching the sunset time. I've paid my entrance ticket. Yes, you do have to pay an entrance ticket to come here. I've paid my motorbike parking fee, and I'm going to give you a full tour of this beach and also supply you with some drone footage. So at the beach itself there is a collection of local warungs that are available at the back of the beach, selling simple Indonesian and some Western foods, soft drinks, beers are also available at the warungs. You've got some sun lounges available. I have spoke to a lady. I think she said it's 50,000 for 2 people for the day for the sun lounges, but I'm not 100% on that, whether she meant 50,000 for one or not. There is some kayaks, canoes available as well there for 50,000. You can take those out into the ocean. They're available for rent for 50,000 for 1 hour. So I'm just going to give you a tour around the beach. I'm going to come down the steps. I'm going to turn left first of all, collection of sun lounges in that direction, some warungs, and then I'm going to turn right, and it's literally exactly the same in that direction, a collection of warungs and sun lounges. So I'll just give you a tour of the beach and give you an idea which area of the beach might be suitable for you and your family. I'm also going to take the drone up as well and give you some fabulous drone footage of Pandawa Beach. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you Pandawa Beach. Okay, so this is the gate entrance leading down to Pandawa Beach and the ticket office. So it's okay. So just on the driveway down now to Pandawa Beach. This is the corner that you come round here, and then we get around to this area here, Kuta Selatan, Pantai Pandawa. There's your view from the top here. Okay, so there's a starting point where I've just dropped down from the Pantai Pandawa. In the cliff there, just along the side here, you have a collection of local shops and warungs. There's food available as well here. I'll show you some of the food places on the beach. Of the car parking here, 2,000 motorbikes. I presume it's 5,000 or 10,000 for a car. And then now we're just going to walk down to the beach. Okay, so just as we're walking down to the beach, just to the right here, there is actually a artist that can paint your portraits. It's available there, 100k. He's just in the back there. Some of his work, I presume. Some more shops and things just to the side there. We're going to head across the bridge and onto the beach now. All of the canoes there. I've already asked about the canoes. They're 50,000 for 1 hour for the canoe rental. Be actually nice to go out into the ocean here with a canoe. Lots of Indonesian people here. Very, very popular Indonesian beach this. I think we'll see the odd tourist, but not sure we'll see too many. Here's all of your canoes. 50,000 those are for 1 hour. And here we are at Pandawa Beach. A lifeguard there as well. He's who I spoke to, and he told me the 50,000. Also have the life jackets as well for the canoes there, you can see. And here's the ocean. So it looks as though the tide's on its way out now. Got lots of coral here and stone. Very clear ocean, but lots of stone in it now, and it's the ocean's heading out. A few people in the ocean swimming in the boats. Just head in this direction first of all, and then we'll take a walk along the top in the other direction. So you can see it's lots of Indonesian here. Tourist here. Have some warungs and things up the top there. I'll take you and show you those in a minute. People out in the ocean there in the canoe. It's like two guys there. And then here we have a collection of sun lounges. Some tourists here again, mixed with Indonesian as well. And then we'll just head up to the back to the restaurants. Okay, so just up from the beach now, there's a pathway that runs along the back of the beach here. Collection of local warungs here. And some of the drinks available: Guinness, Bintang, Smirnoff. Fresh coconuts also. Toilet, you need to use that. And sun lounges down the bottom there. So just coming to our first warung, we'll just show you the menu here. There's a few different dishes available here, so you can get a general idea of what is available at Pandawa Beach. Soup meatball. Some Indonesians in this one, another menu there. We have a menu with some prices on just in the back here. Just take you and show you this and then head back in the other direction. So there's some of the prices here for the dishes. Grilled fish and rice and sauce, 75k. Reasonably priced, I think. Not sure what it tastes like. And the track just continues along the back of the beach there. All the sun lounges down below. Okay, we're getting close to sunset now. Let's just give you a full pan of the Pandawa Beach with the drone. There's the end. There's the Pandawa Beach sign just in the backdrop there in the cliff. How beautiful is this ocean? Really, really nice. Big, long, sprawling beach. Sun lounges, warungs at the back of the beach here. Not sure what they are on top, whether they're hotels or villas, houses. People in the kayaks in the ocean here. And the sun looks as though it's going to set behind the rock there in the distance. How beautiful is that? Wow. Ooh la la. Okay, so there's a step. Come down and turn left. Now we're going to just walk a little bit right. Lots of Indonesians again at the back of the beach here. Surf rescue. And just at the back of the beach here we have a collection of tourist goods shops. Hats, caps, buckets and spades. Balls. Some dresses and clothes. Some little things for the kiddies there. Sandals in case you break your sandals. Some Bali caps. I think I saw the price back up there at one of the places, 25k for the caps. Sunglasses. All the normal stuff you see in all the tourist areas. And then just along the back of the beach here you have another big collection of local warungs. Many all the way along here. All fresh young coconuts. Everything here. And then you have some of the sun lounges at the back of the beach here. How much are the sun lounges? How much? 50. So there's some, is it for one or two? 50, she says 50,000 for two for the sun lounges there. I think that's what she said. I did say two. She said yes, two. So 50,000 for two sun lounges. So there's a big collection of local warungs at the back of the beach here. Just walk down on the beach here and take a look again. Not as busy on this end of the beach. Less people here. Let's take one last look at the ocean and then take the drone up. Another paddle canoe. Seems very good value for the canoes. 50,000 for 1 hour. You have a nice little bit of fun. A super clean, clear ocean. Wow. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my full tour around the fabulous Pandawa Beach here in the Kuta area of Bali, close to Nusa Dua. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, quite a populous beach location, quite a few Indonesian here. And this is a weekday, so on a weekend it will be extremely busy, this beach. I have been many times on a weekend. It is usually packed with people, Indonesian domestic tourists, and also people Indonesian that are living here in Bali. You saw there was a few Western tourists venturing here, but not too many. You've got a great collection of warungs all lining the back of the beach, selling all of your simple Indonesian, and a few Western dishes are noticed available there as well. Soft drinks, alcoholic drinks also available, sun lounges, kayaks. Maybe that's a nice thing to do, particularly if you're travelling with children, go and kayak out in the ocean. Nice calm ocean near the shoreline here. And then you've also got a nice collection of sun lounges as well for rent for 50,000 for two, or maybe 50,000 each. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful. Maybe take the time out to come and visit Pandawa Beach, and I shall say bye for now.